Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today I'm bringing a product review on Glass Gleem 3 and Glass Gleem 4, brought to you by Titan Laboratories, manufacturer on this product. The products both come in quart sizes, gallon sizes. You can buy the gallons by a 4-pack, which is the case, or even a 5-gallon pail. Glass Gleem 3 is the product window cleaners prefer over most other brands. Unlike dish soaps, Glass Gleem 3 leaves no residue, won't foam up on you, and stays wetter on hot and windy days, and won't leave white marks when dry. We find the ability to use Glass Gleem 3 on glass terrific because we can wet so many more windows down at one time and then follow behind and squeegee. This also contains water softeners, so it's great in hard water areas, or even adding to a water tank and doing a pre-wash for like water-fed pole work has been a use that we've used it for. Another great ability of this product is it's less likely to bleed from your edges, which is helpful when you're doing interior partition glass, French cut-ups. French cut-ups are great when you find a product that doesn't bleed as easily from the edges. What it'll help you with is save time and make French cut-ups more efficient with less detailing around quite all the edges. You're always going to have some detailing in most situations, but if you can eliminate some of that time from bleeding around the edges, it helps in detailing and just makes it for a more efficient process. Glass Gleem 4 is a little bit tougher to work with, I find personally. We really like to put it into a spray bottle because when you squeegee it, it has even less slip than the Glass Gleem 3 does. So a spray bottle is a great use for this. Chandeliers, light fixtures, even French cut-ups. Glass Gleem 4 has improved degreasers and detergents, which gives great scrubbing power. You can use it on surfaces other than glass. It's safe for metal surfaces, plastic surfaces, marbles and stone areas also. With its increased scrubbing power of Glass Gleem 4, I think it's ideal for these situations, or situations where your dirt is heavily soiled or has been baked on for a period of time. And it's also approved as a green product, biodegradable, so that's a great point in itself there. Many customers are asking for that these days.